As I rightly suspected, the heavy-duty sanding has revealed a layer of painting hidden beneath soot, dust, and grime. Years and years of exposure to smoke and emissions from butter lamps has obliterated all traces of paint and pattern. I found this small chest at a textile dealer's store in Bhutan. It was lying unused in one corner. After some convincing, we decided to part with it. His grandmother, while on pilgrimage in Tibet, had bought the box, and it had been part of his family altar ever since. I have really enjoyed having it around my home, irrespective of its condition. However, now I feel like repainting it. Only in the absence of what authentically went on this box by way of content and pattern, I will have to reach into my own memories and experiences in order to be able to make something new out of old. I have no idea where this box kept sitting for many years, accumulating all that dust and grime. I often fantasize that it belonged to a monastery someplace high in the hills. And often at the very sight, I'm transported into the cool, dark interiors of a monastery high up in the Himalayas. That visual itself has become the inspiration for what is to become of this box. In fact, making the box has become the perfect excuse for me to relive a trip to Tibet made some time ago. We had traveled up to the Everest Base Camp from Lhasa, visiting monasteries at Gyantse and Shigase. Although this was some time ago, I still remember the fantastic murals at the Gyantse Kumbum vividly. In Buddhism, the stupa symbolizes the awakened mind of the Buddha, while sculptures and paintings represent his body, and books his teachings. And so the Kumbum, literally meaning 100,000 holy images, is painted with an explosion of exquisite murals that are said to liberate its sight. And really what I have only had to do in order to paint this box is to open my photo album and revisit a few murals that I really loved at the Gyantse Kumbum. in the middle of this long process. So far I've finished the top and the front of the box. And what remains to be done is take a few decisions about the back, the sides, and of course, lastly but most importantly, to coat the box with a layer of protective finish which keeps the paint intact. So if not much, quite a bit still remains to be done, and without wasting too much time, we should get back to work. So it looks like that the box is finally done. It is drying right behind me as I speak. And as it dries, I am wondering if there is still something extra that we can add to it just to finish it up. And to do that, I want to reach out with these. These are what I call my therapy baskets that keep getting filled up in my free time with little beads and things that I make out of scrap fabric lying about. Beads from old jewelry and pretty much anything that can be salvaged in this way. So let's dig into these and see what we can come up with.